Assalamu alaikum. So this is the first video that I'm uploading for my Szabist students, and in this video I'm just going to give you the topics for your final report, which I forgot to give in the last class. Actually, you should have the topics now. Normally I give the topics before the midterm. So the idea behind this video is that I'll give you the topics and I'll explain a little bit. So it's going to be a permanent record, and you can refer back to it if you want to. So the first topic that you can choose from is, and by the way, I'm going to send the soft copy of this also, so you can refer to, but that will not contain any explanations. There's just going to be the names of the topics. Okay, so the first topic is Brexit. Okay, all these topics are related to the larger macroeconomic picture and world affairs. All right, most of the microeconomic topics will be covered till the midterm, and it's the macroeconomic topics which will pose the bigger challenge. So it's better that you do the report on them. So the first is Brexit, which is happening in the world these days. So what is Brexit? What are the current issues with Brexit? What is hard Brexit? Why is Brexit such a big deal? And what are going to be the economic consequences of Brexit? So these are the 4 areas that you will cover in your report. The report can be 2,500 words in length, and 4 people can be in one group. All right. So the first topic is Brexit. The second topic is the crisis in Venezuela and how it can affect the world economy. So Venezuela is in South America, and there's an economic problem there. So again, the 4 things: study Venezuela as an economy, its main products, its contribution to the world, and how will the crisis impact, what economic impact it will have either on the world and on the economy of Venezuela itself. So that's the second topic. The third topic is the future. How will the changes in North Korea have an impact on the future of the world in economic terms? And again, in that also the same approach. The economy of North Korea, what is currently happening in North Korea, what is going to happen as a result of North Korea opening up, if it opens up, and the future, how will the changes that are taking place right now impact the economy of North Korea. The fourth topic is the currency crisis in Iran. Exactly those 4 things: the economy of Iran, what are the problems, what are the issues, what will happen in the future according to your analysis. Fourth, a comparison of Chinese economy with the Indian economy, or a comparison of Chinese economy with the European economy. That's your choice. Okay, either compare Chinese economy with the Indian economy or with the economy of Europe. Same, the approach will be the same. The topic will be covered from the 4, on the basis of the 4 things. What's the status of the Chinese economy right now? How does it compare with the Indian economy or the European economy? And what impact will China have on the world, and the world will have on the Chinese economy in the future? Okay, the next topic is CPEC. What is CPEC? What's happening in CPEC, and how will it impact the Pakistani economy? The next is oil shocks. Okay, now oil shocks is an economic topic related to economic history. All right, so none of these the oil shocks that took place in the world took place in early 1970s, 1971, 72, and then in 1979. So this has to be studied in the historical perspective, but the analysis should be the same. What was the background? What happened as the result of the oil shock? Why did the oil shock take place? And what were the consequences of the oil shock on the world economy? All right, now this is a topic of economic history, but it is something that has an impact on our economies even today. Oil is a very important thing, and it impacts us. The last topic is the market crash. Okay, the market crash. And this has to be studied in the context of, number one, the crash of 1929. So you are going to do research on the market crash of 1929 and compare it with the housing market crash of 2008. These are the two major market crashes that took place in the world, and they had a major impact. So this is also a topic of economic history. What happened, what was the background in both cases, and what impact did it have? Okay, so this will be a major proportion of the marks that you will get, and it will determine your final grade. So best of luck, and if you have any further questions about this, you can ask me in class. Okay, thank you very much.